Good. Awesome. Good. Awesome. Just relax. Good. Go ahead. Perfect. Hey guys, Dr. Eric Smith, the Optimal Health Chiropractor, and today I'm here with Yuri. Yuri is 35 days out of his show, so I'm so excited. How are you feeling about your show?
I feel so excited and I feel leaning out.
So this Physique Competitor is really getting ready for the show. He's going to do the Arnold Amateur, right?
No, Olympia.
Olympia Amateur. Yeah, so he's really in it. So he's got some pain going on. His pec is really kind of hurting him. So today, after some assessments, some stuff that we talked about earlier, I'm going to go and do a full body adjustment with him, as well as going to work a little bit on his shoulder to make sure it's in the right position, as well as make sure that his neck. Yeah, as he's already doing that, this man has some issues of taking his neck to the side.
Old man.
Look at the size of these traps. So those of you that really like me working on bodybuilders are going to love this video. So I've adjusted Yuri before we've checked him out. Some of the things that he has going on is, kind of a tighter back here. And he's starting to really lean out, which is good. I'm just going to scoot down the table just a little bit. So how is your lower back been feeling in terms of tightness lately, okay?
Good, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just going to do some stuff to stretch it out real quick while he's getting ready and prepping harder. He's doing lots of Stairmaster, lots of stair climber, correct? For your cardio? Yep. Doesn't sound very happy about that.
I am.
But the man is looking good. I'm really excited to see how well he's going to do at the show. So those of you that have seen this before understand that so what we do with this technique is we're stretching out and opening up his facets up in his low back. So realistically, this man's getting so much compression on his lower back from having all this muscle. Good. And just get this feeling better. So a lot of the exercises he's doing are things that I like for the low back. He's doing a lot to elongate his spine. He's doing a lot to stretch those abs out and then contracting them in a controlled motion. So that's very, very helpful in terms of not only aesthetic reasons and getting things moving, but also just creating that bracing of the core, which typically is needed. So not a ton of crunches for him, not a ton of things like that, but you'll find that he does a lot of rotational things through his thoracic, so keeping his core nice and braced. And then he's also doing a lot of things to take those knees more toward the chest instead of allowing things to kind of smash down there. So as you can see, he's raised up through here. Lots of tightness in his lower back. As you can see, his erector muscles are already firing. So we're going to adjust right in here. Nice deep breath. All the way out. Good. Good. Awesome. He had mentioned, so he's having some pec pain, so a lot of times I like to look in this upper thoracics, and you can see that there's a little bit of a rotation in here, as you can kind of see the point where this is his bone right there, his vertebrae, and then over here, so it's not really in a line. So I'm just gonna adjust through here, a little pressure, let this relax. Good. Awesome. Good job. A little bit more right here. Awesome. So this is to get this moving better so the man can take his neck to the side as well. So now let's get into that low back that you're having some issue. Go ahead and lay on your right side and I'll have you face. So legs looking bigger too, man. You've grown a lot this season, huh?
Yep.
Just relax. And what number competition is this for you to ever compete?
I think it's like 11, 12.
Wow. Good. Definitely think out of all the training and such that I've seen the man do, he's definitely pushing it left and right with all of his preparation for this. Right kind of deep in there. Feeling a little sore in there?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. So as he moves, especially being a physique athlete, we got a lot of posing, and he's a very charismatic poser when he poses. Lots of smiles, lots of good movement to show off his muscles. So having everything working and moving the way that it should is definitely helpful. So he's getting a lot of this kind of pain in the anterior deltoid kind of area where it connects from his collarbone here into the joint. So a lot of times this is what we call weightlifter shoulder. When they're pushing and doing that a lot, if your shoulders are way out, you're really going to compress this AC joint in here and can cause some pain in that ligament. But also, if you could see a little bit, you can see by my hands, this one's more posterior, this one's more anterior. So it's telling me it's starting to roll in more, and with that roll in, usually there's lots of pain that they're going to get in this muscle called the subclavius. So that subclavius rotates, again, that kind of collarbone in. So we're going to do a few different adjustments with his shoulder. And the way that I like to do this is, damn, look at that physique, man. Good work. So put your arm on your side. I'm going to go around and lock his shoulder in the right position. This is neurologically going to get this to fire. And then what I'm going to have you do is you're going to snap this elbow back as quickly as possible. So we'll practice that. Just go ahead and push your hand against me right here. Yep. So just like that, relax, but you're just going to do it really, really like quick, like that. Yep, exactly. Let that relax and I'll tell you when, okay? Go ahead. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Let this relax. Go ahead. Awesome. I'm trying to take those arms up kind of for me. Cool. And I'm going to have you cross your arms over like this. Yep. Just drop that for me. Close. Yeah, you're pretty good in there. Good. Awesome. I'm going to do some muscle work on Yuri next, so check out the next video if you want to see that done and how I stretch that, but if not, we'll see you in the next video, okay?